let's try to pick this 4-pin Assa open, and maybe I'll show you what's inside of it. So I haven't cut it yet myself even, so let's see if I can get this open. And I'm using 15 thousandths hook from TensorFlow Praxis kit, and I'm tensioning from the top of the keyway. And it's open. So yeah, let's see what's inside of this. I should improvise and what should I use? I just take a piece of paper and roll it up, so I can use that as my follower. So. So this is how you make improvised follower if you don't have any real followers on YouTube. No. Okay, just like that. And don't tell me it's already fucked up. Yeah, I fucked up, but that's okay. I can just use that. Oh shit! You can make this 6-pin cylinder if you want. Look, there's even springs and 2 cylinders more there. So yeah, but they don't have any pins now, but they got springs. That's weird. Okay, here's the first. It had master wafer in it. Okay. No, it didn't have. Yeah, he did. It did have master wafer in it. Oh, fuck me. I thought this was 4-pin lock just from that, but no, this is 5-pin Assa. Okay, that's interesting. So yeah, this is 5-pin lock, and it did not have master wafers. The driver pins were just so fucking small that I thought they were master wafers, and they are all standards, as you can maybe see, and the key pins are all standards as well, as you can see. So yeah, this was not 4-pin lock but 5-pin lock. I didn't know that, so yeah, so I have to find nut to put to the backside to lock it, so it won't fall every time you pick it open. So yeah, the springs are just barely hanging on the shear line, so no, but yeah, I don't think you can put very strong springs in such a small lock. So yeah, and that's probably why the drivers are so small. So yeah, but maybe I should make a key for this, and maybe I should make challenge lock out of this, if I can. Sorry, I slept with my snuff on my gum, so it leaked a little bit. Sorry, but yeah. So this was 5-pin Assa small little lock. I have seen small Assas like this on money exchange machines, but they are also secured with huge latch with Assa or alloy disc lock, huge alloy disc lock inside of it. So don't get any stupid ideas that you can. Oh fuck. Yeah, I ruined the first spring. I have to make it a little bit smaller. I just dumped the spring out. Oh, don't go flying everywhere. I have to make the first spring a little bit smaller, as I ruined it. Yeah, that was little 5-pin Assa lock, and I picked it and I cut it. So yeah, hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the subscribe if you really like this video and want to see more of my videos, and bye.